Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be getting a flat spot out of a flat free tire. I got these are Hallmaster 13-inch by 4-inch tires. I got these wheels and tires, the combo, at Harbor Freight about 3 years ago. I made some improvements to the wheels and put new bearings in it. If you want to see that video, it's on my channel. I'll put a link to it here at the end of this video. But I just wanted to make a quick video on how to get rid of a flat spot in one of these flat free tires because they don't seem to kind of self-heal. What happened for me was I was using this trailer on a real hot sunny day, and this tire was sitting in the sun, and I put some logs on the trailer, and I think this tire sitting in the hot sun and the weight on it flattened it out, and the flat spot, I thought it would go away over time, but it never did. So I'm going to use a heat gun and see if it relaxes back into its original shape, and then go from there. So I'm just putting some heat to this and basically heating it up till I start to see some of the surface starting to almost bubble in a sense, and then I'll move the heat gun and just try to build heat inside of that tire. And I tried to get it onto the camera here, but the volume wasn't transferring through, but it actually kind of started making like a crackling pop internally, or crackling and popping sound internally. It was kind of wild. So I don't know if this will last after I do this, but I'm gonna sure give it a shot and see what happens. But the heat, as it's getting hot, you could see it slowly coming out, the dent's slowly coming out. But anyway, I'm just going around and heating this whole area up, and hopefully it gets enough heat in there that it'll get it back to its original shape. See, the heat got rid of a lot of that dent. Next I'm going to actually go to the air compressor and I'm going to try cooling it. It's really hot still right now in this clip. I'm going to try cooling it from the center outward and see if that kind of pulls it back into shape. See, it's real firm and where it's cold, and real soft where it's hot. So I'm going to try cooling it in the middle to pull the material from the outside towards the middle, and then see if that gets this dent all the way out. Right now it's still there just a little bit. And here's after the air compressor, just blowing air on it, and it did work. It pulled it right into shape. So that's where it was dented, and it's totally gone now. Maybe one little spot that's got a dent left in it, but otherwise it's almost back to normal, which is great. Got rid of that flat spot. When you tow it, the trailer would bounce because of that flat spot. So pretty happy that this is fixed. If you enjoyed the video and this helped you, please like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Thanks for watching.